Resident doctors in Maharashtra are holding an indefinite strike against government decision allowing homeopaths to prescribe allopathic medicines. Resident doctors across 32 state-run and civic hospitals withdrew routine OPD and elective services. However, emergency and ICU services remain functional.
नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी एमएमसी में बैकडोर एंट्री नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी एमएमसी में बैकडोर एंट्री नहीं चलेगी
डबल रजिस्ट्रेशन
नेवर नेवर नेवर
डबल रजिस्ट्रेशन
The Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors is demanding a halt on registration to BHMS graduates completing pharmacology course until a court verdict.
When government declared the CCMP course, since then we are fighting against this. We have gone to court also and we are expecting a court result in coming month. On 13th or 14th, government, the High Court will give the verdict. But till that time, we were demanding that government should not take any decision. But unfortunately, government has taken a decision and they have started registration. This is very unfair and injustice to all the modern medicine practitioners.
Protesting doctors have called this step by the government as granting backdoor entry to homeopathic practitioners, diluting the credibility of allopathy. They have also questioned the disparity that this move will create for students who have cleared the medical exam with different grades to begin with.
Now, because of this, that there will be a dilution and integrity of this medical science and the modern medicine will be disturbed, definitely. By doing a mere course of 90 days and giving them directly registration to a council which is meant for allopathy is not good.
Now, this will set a bad trend. You need not study. You secure 50% marks or less than that. Go to Ayurveda, go to homeopathy, qualify yourself and come to MBBS by the back door.
In a twist for the protesters, the Bombay High Court has reprimanded them, warning that if they refuse to work, their salaries will be stopped. They have been directed by the court to call off their strike immediately and resume work, although the court has assured that it will hear the protesters' full side. On Wednesday, a joint delegation of resident doctors met officials of Maharashtra Medical Council regarding their demands. According to the association, the government assured the delegation that the matter would be placed before the Chief Minister. However, the MARD said no concrete decision or written assurance was provided during the meeting. For more on this, our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai. Listen in.
We are currently at Mumbai's Azad Maidan, where more than 2 lakh allopathy doctors have started their indefinite strike against Maharashtra government's decision to facilitate Maharashtra Medical Council registration to the homeopathy doctors who have just completed 1 year of the modern medicine course. They do say that they have met the representatives of the BMC's health department yesterday, but no assurances have been given, and that is why they are on an indefinite strike starting today, where all the routine OPD services have been shut, have been withdrawn. They do say that emergency and casualty services will continue to be operational, but also they further say, you can see the placards as well, no CCMP in MMC, registration is earned through education, not diluted by convenience, and this is a protest which is ongoing for the past 3 days here, not only in Mumbai alone, but across the state of Maharashtra. The government here do say that they will very soon have a dialogue with all the protesting doctors in a day or two. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Disha reporting from Mumbai for Beyond World is One.